I'm gonna be completely honest with you, it's been actually a couple of weeks since I've recorded the last video. I just needed some time to settle down, to aproveitar pouco aqui. But it's grind time now. I'm gonna show you guys everything that Brazil has to offer, all the tourist attractions, all the beautiful places, the culture, the food, everything. So you guys better be excited.
I'm headed for the stage now. They clearing all the bad women in the building, man. There's bad women in the building. Let's get it started tonight. This one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots. I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life.
This right here is absolute paradise.
Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months, had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got serving that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No Novocaine, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. Little girl, give me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. Black cold out, so I'm think about it. Stress me out, so I drink about it. They talk it out, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it.
She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. Came up as a church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleep.
Before we get started, what's going on, you beautiful people? Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, aonde você tá, qualquer tempo é agora. Olá, pessoal. We are here finally at my house, and I'm finally going to have the opportunity to show you guys my beautiful house. It's about 1 million to 1.5 million, around there. And I'm super excited to show it to you guys, so let's get it going. As we enter the house, we enter through a huge front yard here and welcome with the absolutely massive coconut tree, as you guys can see there. When the coconuts are ready, we actually take them down and actually drink it, which is absolutely amazing. And this front yard right here consists of also a garage. The garage is kind of like the front porch slash garage area where it can fit about 6 cars in here. It has absolutely beautiful plants, as you guys can see here, beautiful flowers. And it's just massive. It fits everything that you need. So as you guys see here, there's actually a couple of holes right here, you know, a little bit of cracked walls also. And this part's actually black. Let me just tell you guys, you know, we come here for vacation often, you know, so we don't really take care of the house. And now that I'm here, I can absolutely see everything. Some stuff are dirty, some stuff has like holes and stuff like that. But I'm gonna get it fixed right away. Probably in a couple of weeks, you guys will see a huge difference where everything will be fixed. Also, a huge downgrade of living near the beach. O marizinha, né? The salt absolutely eats everything. And also, there's construction in front of the house, which there was a whole bunch of trimming and all that, which cracked the walls. And even some of the tiles on the floor were actually, you know, cracked and broken. As you guys can see, there's still a lot of stuff to fix, but this house is still absolutely beautiful. So let me show you more. So as we enter the house, we come to this area right here. It has the front door and a window here that opens up. But on this side over here, it's a little alleyway, a little stairs going down all the way to the backyard. But we usually don't go through here. We usually go inside the house. So as we go inside the house, we actually arrive to the dining room. We arrive to the dining room here. Dining room has a little space over here where you can just chill, hang out, sit, you know, and just talk to your friends or whatever if you want to invite them. And also it has the dining room itself, the table where you can eat and everything. And this house has so much space. Nothing is, you know, closed in or anything. It has so much space, super spacious. So the kitchen, the dining room, all open, all everything. And let me show you guys real quick. So as I was talking about, are you guys seeing this? The towel actually broke from the construction. So we're gonna get all that fixed, but it's just gonna take a little bit of time. So as we come into the kitchen, we actually have granite countertop, as you guys can see here. Everything is granite here. The sink and everything is granite. The kitchen is a little bit outdated, the oven and everything outdated. And also the cabinets here are absolutely kind of destroyed also, as you guys can see. Look at this. Destroyed also from all the salt that has been eating it. So we got to replace that. Add some more stuff to this kitchen. It doesn't have much right now, but definitely in the near future, I'm definitely gonna add more stuff, so you guys better be ready for it. And as we go more into the kitchen, this side over here, we got the little pantry area where it just has a whole bunch of stuff. It's a little bit of storage, food, all that. And to the other side over here, we go to the laundry room. In my house, a little bit different. We don't have any, laundry mats, a little bit, anything that, so we wash our clothes with the hands, got to go back to old school. As we come here, you guys can see front yard here, and to the other side, it also has a different alleyway from the other side of the house, another alleyway going down to the backyard. I'm in this little room, which as you guys can see, the doorknob is already broken, but it has a way to open. This room, just a storage area. Back then, it used to be a bedroom also, but now we're using it as a storage area. It's pretty small bed to be a bedroom, also bathroom here. So that's pretty much it for this area. We're gonna go back inside the house. This house actually consists of 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and it's a 2-story high house, and also like the backyard and everything. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. So as we come more into the house, we actually have 2 bedrooms here. This could be considered as, kids' bedroom. But my roommate's actually staying in this one right here. It's pretty decent sized room with bathrooms. All the bedrooms has bathrooms, as you guys can see. As we come to the other side, there's a different bedroom here, which could be for guests and all that. It's absolutely huge bedroom. So these are 2 bedrooms up here. We actually got one more bedroom, which is in the top area, the top floor, which is the master bedroom, which you already know I'm the one that's staying in the master bedroom. So as we come in here, it's the biggest room in the house, the master bedroom. Not too much bigger than the other rooms, but it's a decent size. You got 2 beds here. This one I just keep, stuff like my drone and all that. And this is the one I sleep. And also, as you guys saw, every single room here has this slide-in doors, as you guys can see here, which if you guys follow me, it actually brings you to the patio area, which as you guys can see has a beautiful view. And it's absolutely massive also, as you guys can see, all this area right here. 3 slide-in doors for every single bedroom that comes out to the patio. Every single time you just want to rest, just chill a little bit, you can come out here. There's hammocks here, as you guys can see. We got hammocks and all that, which you can just chill, relax, look at the beautiful view whenever you want. It's absolutely incredible. So I just showed you guys pretty much everything on this top floor, top level, whatever you guys want to call it. Showed you guys everything. So now we're gonna head our way to the basement. I really don't like calling it a basement. I like calling it more second level because it doesn't really seem like a basement too much. So we're gonna go to the second level here. Beautiful staircase, the same type of like granite as you guys saw in the kitchen. So we're gonna go down here. And this right here is the second level. I think this level right here, I'm gonna make it the living room area because it's just absolutely enormous. It has so much space. I was also thinking about this here, building like a game area here, TV, some couches, some sofas, all that. So as you guys can see, there's not that much stuff here. It's because, like I said, me and my family used to come here, every other year. None of us usually lived here. It was just vacation house, so we would spend a little bit of time. We don't have that much stuff, but definitely in the future, I'm gonna add so much more stuff, so you guys better be looking forward to it. And as we come to this side, over here, there's another bathroom here. And over here, we have another guest bedroom, which consists of bed and everything, another bathroom here. So that's pretty much it for the second level. And as you guys can see, there's a slide-in door which brings you to the backyard. There's this little area here where if you want to, you can put hammocks also, hang out and everything. And like I showed you guys in the beginning, this is the alleyway that went from the front yard and comes all the way towards here. There's 2 different sides, there's 2 different gardens here with a whole bunch of flowers, whole bunch of plants. We love that nature type of style. So we have 2 different sides consisting of that. So as you guys can see here, there's a massive pool here, which also consists of like a mini waterfall also. On this side over here, there's a churrascaria, barbecue area where you can come here, chill, hang out, bring a whole bunch of family, friends, all that. It's absolutely amazing, especially when you bring people. So as you guys can see in the backyard, it has these 2 different types of tiles. It has this style of tile and this style of tile. You guys can also see over here. These type of styles are non-slippery types of style. It gives you really good grip. If you go inside the pool and get out, you're gonna be super slippery. So just to be cautious, we put in these to not slip or anything, avoid any accidents, anything like that. And if we come more into here, sorry, it's getting a little bit dark, but you guys can still are able still to see everything. As we come here, there's a little bit of a yard here, which doesn't have too much stuff. It only has 2 plants, a couple of flowers, as you guys can see here. We're definitely gonna add a lot more plants here, make it a lot better. It's pretty empty right now, but we're definitely gonna make it a lot better. And over here in the corner, there's a bathroom if you guys wanna use it. So that's pretty much it for the whole backyard. It is currently the next day after I recorded the house tour. My camera actually died mid-filming, but I was actually super excited that I was able to show you guys pretty much the whole house already. And I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour. I gotta say thank you so much for all the support, all the positivity, and I'm super blessed to have a community like this. So thank you so much, and until next time.